Hello viewers, welcome all of you in Alka's Botany channel. Today we are going to learn an important food crop of the world, that is wheat, which is a cereal crop in the world. I am Dr. Alka Inamdr in Alka's Botany channel. Please like, share and subscribe the channel. What is meant by cereal? The plant life is absolutely necessary for the existence of man and animals. Man is dependent either directly or indirectly upon plants for his food, clothing, shelter, and many of his daily necessities. Plants have diverse uses of economic importance, and some of that important as a daily foodstuffs like cereals, pulses, legumes, vegetables, and so many on. Now, what are cereals? The word cereal is derived from Ceres, the Roman goddess of harvest and agriculture. A cereal is any grass cultivated for the edible components of its grain, which is botanically important. A type of fruit called as caryopsis, composed of the endosperm, germ, and bran. And cereals are rich sources of vitamins, minerals, carbohydrates, fats, oils, and proteins. All these are the important characteristics of cereals. In the introductory part of the wheat, which is nothing but a food grain and which is a staple food in the world. Wheat ranks second only to the rice in world importance as a source of food material. Wheat belongs to genus Triticum, that is a family Poaceae. Bread wheat, that is Triticum aestivum, authority is the lineage, is a hexaploid wheat. In that, single chromosome number is 7, whereas hexaploid means 42 chromosomal sets. Wheat forms the principal staple food of the majority of the human races in the world. Wheat ranks more palatable and better bread than any other cereal. The botanical name of the wheat is Triticum species, whereas it comes under in family Poaceae, and vernacular names of that wheat are Gehu in Hindi and Gahu in Marathi. And source which is used for the wheat, that is a grains, which is nothing but a staple food. These species of wheat are under cultivation in India. Bread wheat, name of that is Triticum aestivum. Macaroni wheat, that is Triticum durum, and emmer wheat, that is Triticum dicoccum. About 88% of wheat under cultivation is bread wheat, while only 11% is macaroni wheat. Emmer wheat, called as khapli, is grown in some parts of Maharashtra. Original distribution shows that India is an important wheat growing country, which is fourth in the world's wheat production after Russia, USA, and China. About 87% of wheat production in India comes from Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Punjab, Haryana, Bihar, Rajasthan, etc. In the past, there were 4 species, that is Triticum aestivum, Triticum durum, Triticum dicoccum, and fourth one Triticum spirococcum under cultivation in India. But Triticum spirococcum has now practically gone out of the cultivation because of its low productivity and high susceptibility to the diseases. Again, wheat seeds have been discovered from the Indus Valley excavations at Mohenjo-daro, that is in northwestern India, along with Afghanistan, probably forms the origin of bread wheat. India is one of the ancestral lands of this essential food crop. The archaeological records suggest that wheat was first cultivated in the region of the Fertile Crescent around 9600 before Christ era. Southwest Asia is probably its center of origin. Wheat is the foremost crop of the world, where it shows nutritional value per 100 grams of wheat, carbohydrates in 60 to 80%, protein 8 to 15%, 1.5 to 2% fats are present in the wheat. Minerals also shows 1.5 to 2%, and vitamins C and E are more present in the wheat, whereas total energy level is 327 kilocalories. In the morphological event, wheat is an annual crop of 6 months. Plant reaches a height of about 0.6 to 7.5 meters along with the species to species. Plant differentiated into nodes and internodes. Roots are fibrous, adventitious types. Wheat leaf consists of blade or lamina, the sheath that encloses the stem tightly, the legule or rain guard growing at the junction of the leaf blade. The inflorescence is a terminal spike which consists of 15 to 20 spikelets arranged in an alternate fashion on a short central axis. The spikelet is enclosed in a pair of glumes and consists of 1 to 5 florets. Each floret has its own lamina and a thin palli investing 2 lodicules, 3 stamens and a single pistil. Wheat grain or a fruit is called as caryopsis type. Caryopsis means dry, one-seeded, indehiscent fruit. The apex of the seed has tuft of hairs called a brush, longitudinal groove or furrow called the crease. Seed coat or testa is fused with fruit wall or pericarp to form hull. Within it is starchy endosperm. Endosperm delimited by aileron layer, and that aileron layer is rich in proteins, vitamins of B group and minerals. B group vitamins means B6, B12 like that along with the minerals. And the last point, we come up to the economic importance of wheat. First one, it is used for the food purpose. Wheat and wheat products contribute the world's major carbohydrate diet. About 80 to 90% of it is used in the form of chapati, tandoori roti, naan, paratha and puri. Second one, it is also used to prepare the food articles. Cakes, biscuits, pastries, crackers, wheat flakes, puffed wheat and shredded wheat for nashta and breakfast food. Third one, it is used for the industrial uses, for manufacturing of starch, gluten, distilled spirits and malt, etc. Wheat starch is preferably by many laundries for use in the finishing of cloths. Gluten is used for the production of monosodium glutamate. It intensifies the flavor of food. Wheat bran is rich in proteins, that is near about 14 to 18% of protein is present in wheat bran and vitamins also. It is a valuable livestock feed and it adds roughage. Fourth one important use is it is used as a fodder. Wheat straw is used as a livestock feedstuff, animal bedding and also for the compost purpose. And Fifth one, that is other uses, that is wheat straw is used in packing and stuffing. It is used in the manufacture of straw carpets, straw hats, and as well as baskets preparation. Thank you. Thank you very much.